You already filming?
Sorry.
What was that?
Are you sure you're
you went like that. You already fist. Just Hi. I'm Dean. So, alright. Sorry, why Alright. So we're getting our gowns right now. I don't know if you're... Yeah, I'm going to wait after this person. Eric's here.
Hey. Oh, I forgot.
Yeah, I have a cameraman now, so don't
Shut up,
worry.
Andrew.
We got a party tonight.
I just love when people think it's a picture. It's
Yeah.
really
Picture. Dude, your thing like zooms in super far.
I know.
Like I tried zooming out, but it's just like no.
I know. It's just how it is. It takes forever.
Oh my god.
Here, just wait. Time to put a peep in the microwave. Let's do 30 seconds. Let's do this. Oh gosh. Oh no.
It's split in half. It just immediately split in half.
I don't think that's a thing anymore.
Actually, it still looks like a peak. It's just
I don't think it's going to get bigger. Yes!
yay.
Now it shrinks.
And it's gross and we throw it away because it's burnt.
No.
You somehow s'mored it.
I s'mored things. Where was the chocolate?
There was a chocolate in it? Oh,
No.
the nose, huh? The eye or whatever.
Oh, that makes sense. And I made the Eiffel Tower out of it. Very good.
Did you roast it?
We put it in the microwave.
I know. Here.
For like 15 seconds.
Welcome to the loudest but millions of trucks. It is a food truck place we are at right now. And there is millions of people here. Well, not millions. A couple hundred. That's probably a better way to say it. But we got waffles to hot dogs to Chinese food. But I just want to show you guys all the fantastic products everywhere. And I'll show you. And I got a ginormous foot-long hot dog, which was delicious. I'm trying to not be in people's way right now. But this is... I'm finally getting in the car. You probably can't hear me right now because there's so much noise going on right now. But I'll see you guys later. That. It was full to the top, but it was $1.70 something at 7-Eleven today. And you can fill up any size cup you want to and get all the amount of Slurpee you want to. Well, got me free food. I mean, not free food. Trucks and Slurpees. How much better could this day get? Don't you just love after you finish filming, you get a whole cake, pretty much, and all these snacks. It makes it a good day. Look at that. Someone said the Easter Bunny has shown up. Little something from me, some candy. Well, hello there. It is not Easter right now. It is a day after Easter.